Well, this is the second part of part 2. I'm gonna let Tyler do some shooting today. Hey Tyler, what are you doing, buddy? You doing alright today? What you got there?
22 pistol.
Right on, right on. Alright. We're going to show y'all a reference. We're down here at my range. There ain't no holes in it. Well, I hit that the other day. Look at that. These holes all in there. But, yeah. We're alright. You think you can make it, buddy? We'll see. Alright. Eye up, homie. Yeah. Laser off now. Alright, get it. Hit. Hit. Low. 6. So let's take a look. Oh man. Look at that. You skimmed it.
Got one right there in the middle.
There's one there and one there. Good Lord, look at that hole.
That's an edgy one, man.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, 22.
Bag? Come on now. Oh yeah. I still recommend that gun for any newbie. Dude, look up there. Let me read this. You don't see that turkey? Up there. Behind the range. Look. See? Oh man. Crazy shit out here on the range. It's just funny. But this has been Tyler.
What's going on?
Back on the channel. Well, thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to always hit that subscribe button down below. We'll have the link in the description to the gun and the ammunition we're having, and I'll also put a link to Tyler's channel, which will be coming up soon.
Yes, real soon we are working on getting that done.
And he'll be doing some guns and four-wheelers and stuff like that too. So
Don't forget, smash the like button.
don't forget to smash that like button. As always, I love you. Thanks for checking it out. And hang on a second. I'm trying to talk Tyler into doing a backflip for y'all. This is going to be good. All right, Tyler's going to do a backflip for y'all. Y'all ready? Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah! That's how you do it! That's how you do it! Yeah! Oh, hit him with the D! Yeah!